Hey everyone!
Hi guys!
We have a really special video today.
Tell me more, Nora.
Well, we're gonna be getting ready together for a girls' night.
Woohoo!
So we're gonna do our makeup together. We're gonna paint each other's nails. No, we're not. But we're gonna get dressed and head out to a party. The Dose of Colors party! Yay!
Let's do it. Since we're going to the Dose of Colors party, I'm going to be using their new palette. Oh my god, so gorgeous. The new Desi and Katie palette. My dress is like a black and maroon and pink floral dress. So I'm going to be doing like a goldish maroon kind of like look to my eyes.
And I'm gonna be wearing head to toe red. So I think I should be wearing some red lips, right?
For sure.
I'm gonna do the Dose of Colors their first palette, the Desi Katie's first collaboration. They had this awesome color. So I'm gonna use this on my lips and go natural on my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna start with my foundation.
I'm going to start with primer.
I'm actually using Ani's foundation. I'm using the Stila Stay All Day foundation. Oh, it's and a concealer. Crazy. So I forgot my foundation at home.
That's okay, that's what besties are for. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made in the color Honey.
Ani and I have not been out in a hot minute.
Oh my god, so long.
Like, our routines have become really just staying at home all the time. So we're super excited.
I can't wait to go out.
Me too. Like, you know when you go out with the girls, put your makeup on.
You just feel good.
It's just different. So now we're moving on to concealer. I'm gonna do my under eyes with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Peach first. And then I'm gonna top it with the NARS.
I'm just doing NARS.
Because I wanna cover up those dark eyes. There was actually a concealer I was excited about. I forgot who it is. Oh, the Huda Beauty, Huda Beauty is coming out with a concealer. I think I want to try it out. I saw some crazy before and afters. I know, I saw some crazy before and afters, and it wasn't photoshopped, so.
Going out is making you rebellious. I'm gonna bake with my Kat Von D.
And I'm using the Cover FX.
Baking, done.
Done like dinner. Okay,
Moving on to eyes.
let's prime those puppies.
I'm priming using MAC Painterly.
And I'm using the
Paint
Urban
pot?
Decay. It's time for the eyes. The eyes, the eyes.
Oh my gosh.
Like I mentioned, I'm going super light with eyes because I want my lips to pop.
And I'm doing like a gold maroon combo.
What I love about the new Desi Katie palette is that they have a pretty equal amount of mattes and shimmer colors, because not everyone uses, like, explores the shimmery world,
Yeah.
but they have really nice matte colors.
And their shimmer is really pretty. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna sparkle tonight.
Sparkle.
My night out. So I'm gonna do like a pinkish maroon in my crease and work that in.
I did my base with like the light color, like a nude skin tone color, and then I'm just doing my crease with a little darker version of that. So I'm gonna go heavier on the under eyes since I went so light on the lids.
You do that, girl.
I am. You know, the stakes are high when you go to a makeup event.
I
Your
know, you
makeup
gotta,
has
like,
to look really good.
You gotta like show up looking good. You can't be like, I went for the natural look today.
Yeah. Like, these girls have some seriously nice makeup.
In addition to doing a black eyeliner, I'm actually gonna be using a maroon paint color too. And this is also just a colors. It's called Hit the Road. It's a matte eye color. So I like to do this color first, and then I like to do a liquid black eyeliner really thin on top of it to like really make it stand out.
Usually we have music really loud when we're getting ready, but we can't do that when we're shooting, obviously.
Yeah. Do a little cat eye.
Stab in my eye.
Don't stab your eye, Nora. It's
just
not
did.
good for you.
I just did.
It's not healthy.
My eyes are done. I'm gonna put my mascara, and then afterwards I'll put my lashes.
I am still working on my eyeliner. Okay, but now I'm going to use a crease brush, and I'm gonna take like a light brown color. You can also use a bronzer if you don't have like a light brown, and I'm gonna use it in my crease to kind of like marry the colors together because it makes it look effortlessly blended.
Isn't it crazy? Back in the day we used to not do our lashes. I mean our eyebrows.
I know.
Like, or we still like fill in like a little gap with like black eyeliner. Like I'm looking at this and it's so crazy. Like doesn't matter how much makeup you put on, if your eyebrows are done, it's just so
it doesn't look
bad.
The same.
Okie dokie, I'm gonna wipe the excess. And then I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish.
I am gonna get up close for my eyeliner now. Because no matter how good your vision is, you like really need to get in there.
Yeah.
So I like to do the actual eyeliner first, and then when I'm done, I do the wings. And for the wing, I just go straight out, and then from the tip, I bring it in. Onto mascara.
All right, you guys, I am almost done with my look. I'm gonna highlight now. I'm gonna be using the Chasing the Sun Desi Katie highlighter, and this, you guys don't understand. You look like a golden statuette. It's like the best. Watch.
God.
You ready?
I haven't used it yet.
I like to use it like literally everywhere.
I can't wait to take mine out of the package.
I'm not usually a highlighter fan, but this color, I don't know what it is.
I've been really into highlighters lately.
I love it. Okay, now for the color. Oh wait, let me do my lashes.
If you guys accidentally get mascara on your lid, take your eyebrow brush and brush it off. Voila. Amazing. Moving on to my bronzer. And I like to use a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow and my Stila Bronzer in Lights. So I use both.
So who's gonna be more drunk tonight? Me or you?
Me.
I think so too.
Do you like how we decide these things in advance?
Like you need to set the plan, the mood.
Yeah, so
for
we
the
know what to
night.
expect, you know?
And also so you won't be able to be like, oh man, you're so drunk last night. Be like, I told you, I'm gonna be drunk.
I mean, we talked about it.
Okay, now I'm gonna do my lips, guys. Check out how fire this color is.
How fire it is.
Mm-hmm. What color was it? Fresca?
Mm-hmm. I think so.
Yeah.
Or hot fire?
Hot fire.
Hot fire.
Fresca was the highlighter.
Uh-huh. No, Fresca was the I Love Sorry collab.
Oh.
I'm gonna go for a nude lip. This is Bear With Me. Dose of Colors.
All right, our makeup is done. Part 1 of 3 is done. Let's take a selfie.
So many parts to get
I know.
ready.
Let's take a selfie to make sure.
No wonder we haven't got out.
This is looking good. I like it.
I like it too.
Damn. Okay.
All right.
Approved. Now we're gonna do our hair. I don't know if you guys know, if you follow us on Instagram, but I have not put heat to my hair since we got back from Greece. And it's grown so much, you guys. And I know this because I just got my hair done and it's already, my roots are already out, but I'm super happy with it. But tonight is a special occasion, so I am going to be using the enemy, a heating tool. But I'm not gonna do a lot. So what I did actually to save double heat, because I have to blow dry my hair before I curl it, what I did is I washed my hair last night and I slept with it like kind of like this. I like tied it like this. So at least I got this part straight, or else my hair will just be all over the place. So it's kind of like I didn't do the blow drying portion. So I'm doing only one part heat. And I'm gonna add a few loose curls and that's it. We'll get the messy look. Alrighty. So I just put a few curls in there, and what I'm actually gonna do is put it back my hair like that. Cause like my outfit is a very seductive outfit.
It really is.
So I don't want anything in my face.
Okay, I'm gonna also just put some loose waves in. And we both have the same iron. It's the T3 curling iron, in case you were curious. And it comes in a few different barrels. Okay, hair and makeup is finally done. Now it's time to get dressed. We're ready for girls' night.
Work it. Yeah, ready. So I'm wearing a misguided peace love collab. Yeah, Whiskey.
Whiskey's ready for girls' night too.
He's ready for girls' night too. I'm wearing a misguided peace and love collab with Zara pants.
So
and
cute.
red Giuseppe Zanotti's. And don't tell me I'm overkill on the red because this is a thing.
It's her style right now.
It's a thing, okay?
I'm wearing a dress by Misguided. I'm like so in love with this dress because it's so comfortable.
So cute.
So cute. And then I'm wearing like old school Stuart Weitzman
Yeah, those are old
classic
school.
strappy shoes because I felt like they matched the dress and the gray.
Ani recently cleaned her closet, so she
I
keeps
got so
wearing
much
these
stuff.
like TBT shoes. She's like, do you remember these? They're from 1999.
99, like 2 years ago.
All right, we are ready to party.
Whiskey's gonna come with us too, right, buddy?
Yeah, whiskers.
He could use a cocktail. Can't you? He could use a glass of whiskey. Yes.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this version of Get Ready With Me. We will see you guys next time.
Yay. Bye, guys.